What's up, fam? Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're going to try something new. We're going to combine my two favorite things, truck camping and kayak fishing. So we're going to camp out overnight, cook up a meal, and the following morning, we're going to load the kayak up with some bait, and we're going to head out and see what we can get into with some catfish. So we are on a bait mission right now. I'm gonna go and see if I can get some fresh gills to take with me, because you know, the fresher your bait, the better your odds are. I did not have enough time to de-thaw the corn. I used frozen corn to catch my bait. So I pulled it out of the freezer. I've got my heated seat cranked on to high, and I've got the corn in a Ziploc bag underneath my butt cheeks. You know you're in a rough kind of way if you're de-thawing corn under your butt cheeks on a heated seat. Note to self, when it's 80 degrees outside, de-thaw my corn a little earlier because my cheeks are toasty. Tonight we've got some yakisoba for dinner. My mother-in-law was gracious enough to make some of her homemade yakisoba, so we're gonna heat that up tonight. And man, it is so good. It's got steak in it, and noodles and cabbage, and chef's kiss. That stuff is amazing. So we're gonna eat that tonight. And I've got a drink I've never tried before called a poppy. It's supposed to be a healthier alternative to a soda, so we're gonna give that a shot tonight. It's a lemon lime flavor, so I'm hoping that it tastes like Sprite. Let's go get some gills. Water's about the same level that it has been. Hasn't really come up any. Man, I forgot my freaking corn. Oh boy. Corn acquired. Alright. Those gills better watch out, because I'm on a mission. If they know what's good for them, they better eat some of this dang corn. Or not. Let's get some water. Alright. Water has been acquired. A little sand on this corn, but I don't think those gills will mind too much. Sneak my way over here. Try not to spook all of them. Boy, they are in there thick, but they are very spooky. There we go. Oh, and he came off. Go figure. Come on now, you little rascals. Eat my corn. Finally. We're not setting any speed record, but golly. First piece of bait in the pan. Hook up some more. Boy, these are some good sized baits. Not too big. Sunfish in the pan. I just can't stop. What is it? In the bowl. That's what it is. There's just a big old school of them right down here, so we're just using this current to drift it right into them. There we go. we're gonna fix it this time. Sunfish in the bowl. I'm an idiot. Ignore me. Or don't. It's your choice. Just get it a little further in there. These are the kind of baits that I like. Small enough to still get the channel cats, but big enough and lively enough to target some bigger catfish. Ah, they stole my corn. Dang thieves. Sit there and rob you blind. They'd probably steal the change out your grandma's purse if you let them. See, these bluegills don't have any morals nowadays. Yeah. There we go. We're only gonna need a few more and we'll have enough bait for not only tonight, but probably tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna fish tonight or not. I might, because you know, you just gotta enjoy life while you can. I'm gonna be out camping. If I can get anywhere near the water, I'm gonna try to fish tonight, but we'll see. Mainly gonna be fishing tomorrow. All right, let's take these guys on down. See if we can get it out to them. Yeah. There we go. Come to Papa. What we got so far? 1, 2, 3, 6 or so. Now they say never leave fish to find fish. I should have never left because they're still hot for it. Come here, little gill. All right. All right. Leave some gills for the bass and the other foolish fishermen like me. All right, guys. We're gonna cook some dinner. Trying out a new microphone. Got some good feedback about my audio quality, and we're going to try to improve that. All right. We're going to heat up some yakisoba. I don't want to be cooking a headlight. Let's see if we can rig this up. There we go. All right, that'll work. Poppy. Huh. I don't know if I'd say it's a Sprite. It has a very strong lime taste and a lot of carbonate. It's like carbonated water too. So it's interesting. I don't necessarily hate it, but wouldn't say it's my favorite either. That's doable though. I've had worse. I've had a lot worse. I'm gonna eat this bad boy straight out of the pan like a caveman. Not bad. It's like blood orange. Pretty sweet. All right, we're a little bit more set up now. This is the setup for tonight. I've got a second sleeping bag in case I need it. So yeah, let's see how it does. We're all set up inside. Got the door open because it's nice out. It's actually pretty warm compared to what it's been the last couple of nights. So I'm just going to leave this open. There's not a whole lot of bugs out tonight. Probably because of the cool weather. But I've got some Clancy's I'm going to munch on for a minute. Probably just lay down and watch some YouTube. We'll see what has been uploaded lately. I don't know, like every time I watch other YouTubers though, it seems like we all watch the same people. There's like a select few of guys that it seems like we all watch. So I'm hoping that one day I can be one of those guys. So if you hit subscribe and like and share this out, it'd mean a lot. Having a little extra income to support the family and just living your dream, you know. I love this stuff. Like this to some people may seem like a chore and like why would you ever want to live out of the back of your truck? But to me, like the solitude is amazing. I can't hear anything. There's no cars, there's no people. The only thing I can hear is the bubbler in my bait bucket and the wind. It's perfect. I'll take this over a night out on the town any day. Don't get me wrong, I love spending time with my family, but just having alone time to just think about things or just relax and enjoy Just some peace and quiet. Love it. How many of you guys are the same? Comment down below. These are the best sour cream and onion chips. We get these at Aldi's. Lay's doesn't have anything on Clancy's. It's the powder. How many of y'all have a Schlotzsky's where you guys are at? They have sour cream and onion chips that are kind of like this. They have like a sour cream and onion powder on them. Man, those are good. I love these things. I'm going to wake up here pretty early, launch the kayak. I'm not going to stay up too late. I'm going to watch a few videos and then probably crash out and catch some Z's because it's going to be an early morning. And the missus is wanting to go to the zoo on Sunday, so we got to make do with our time. I might watch some YouTube for a little bit. I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. I bet you there's going to be a lot of people out hunting in the morning. I'm pretty sure this is the opener for youth rifle season. So that's kind of cool. All the try-hard bow hunters. I hope you got your target buck already because little Timmy's about to smoke his butt in the morning. It's early. Brr. It's cold. Alright. I need to get up and get my camp cleaned up and then launch the kayak, do some fishing. Alright, we are cruising our way out to the main part of the lake. We're going to get as far out as we can. Well, we can go as far as we want. We've got a full charge on the battery, so we'll probably go out to about the middle of the lake and start drifting our way back. We're going to go out deep first and then work our way back shallow. The current is still pushing against me, so even if something were to happen, we're going all the way up current and we're going to work our way back down current. So should make for an easy paddle if I had to paddle back, which I always keep my paddles on me, always have a PFD on me. So if anything were to happen, I should be set. I've still got some fresh gills ready to go. I'm going to drop those guys down once we get to where we're going. It creates too much drag on the trolling motor to have it down while we're cruising, so we are making our way downtown, walking fast. I haven't even had any coffee this morning. It's a beautiful morning out. Last night was a hunter's supermoon, and you know, it didn't lead for great fishing, although I do think I got a bite on at least one of my rods because it was fully slacked when I woke up and it was trapped up in some brush. So I think a catfish grabbed it and swam me up into some scrubby stuff. But hey, that's breaks of the game when you leave a rod unattended overnight while you're sleeping. Well, the sun finally decided to show, and look what else decided to show out. It's a rainbow. Boy, if they ain't a sign, it's gonna be a good day. Sun's out, it's starting to warm up. We're making our way to the deep side of the lake. It's gonna be a good day. Look at that. There we go. Not bad. We're just cruising our way across. Water's starting to get a little choppy out here. go a little bit further. I won't push it too far into the main lake because it'll just get choppier and choppier as we go. So what we're fishing with, this is the PC Fun Chaos Reels. I think these are Chaos 50s. And I have Catfish Sumo Chopstick Master Series. I will say for a kayak rod, they do have ones that are actually specifically made for kayaks that cut off the handle, like right there, to have the regulars, because I like to multi-purpose my rods. I also use them from the bank, so I didn't want to give up my power handle. But from what I understand on the kayak rods, they also have like attachments that you can screw into them to make them bank rods to give you a little bit more casting distance. But I don't know, I like these well enough. They're not the beefiest of rods, so if you're looking for something with a heck of a lot of backbone, these probably aren't it. But what I do like about these is they're soft enough to feel the little channel cats, but they're heavy enough to handle the sumo size catfish. So of course, what would I know about sumo size catfish? Haha, I'll roast myself so you don't have to. Well, if you're gonna do it, do it. I'll be toying with my emotions. Oh, I think he's on there. There we go. Just a little dink, but we'll take him. All right, don't. Isn't he cute? I'm telling you, I ought to put a hook through your mouth and make you go find your mama. Don't be back talking me now. Ain't no one care what you gotta say. You just get your 5 minutes of fame, and then we're gonna send you back. Okay, that rod wasn't in the water for 30 seconds. God, okay, hold on, guys. I don't even know if I can get him far enough away from the camera. Golly. He absolutely crushed that. See if I can get him on there. Man alive. There we go. America, America. Wow. Excuse the language, but holy cow. Man, another one. He freaking turned the whole kayak around. Man, that is another beast. Oh, don't freak out. This guy is probably just a hair bigger than the last one. Not bad. That's a dandy. This lake, if you drift it right and let the current push you, I mean, you can get onto some big catfish. That's the second one, about the same size. That's dandy. All right. I can barely hold him up. He's heavy. Don't splash me, please. There we go. I'm pretty sure he took my bait. Well worth it. I'll make that trade any day. Yeah. Done knocked my dadgun bait off. And slimed all my stuff up. He slung that whole thing around. That's crazy. All right, well, if you guys have stuck around this long, I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I have officially ran out of light, so I'm gonna start trolling my way back to the boat ramp and get home and get some dinner. If you could take a moment, hit like, hit subscribe, it'd mean a heck of a lot, and hope you guys catch a monster. I'll see you next time.
Thank you.